Welcome to Schweizerdeutsch Tutor. Schweizerdeutsch für Anfänger. Today we talk about salutation questions. As in English, it is common to ask the other person how they are when greeting them. As in our last videos about greetings and farewells, we again have to distinguish between a formal form we use with strangers, especially elderly and in professional environments, and the informal form we use with our friends and family. The difference between the two is the pronoun used. The formal form is Wie geht's Ihnen? Here we use the pronoun of the third person plural, Ihnen. In this question, the pronoun occurs in the dative case, a grammatical case for indirect objects. The grammatical cases are one of the biggest challenges in learning Swiss German. They are based on the High German system, but are simplified. We will go into more detail about the cases in a later video. If you want to know more now, you can find a comprehensive explanation and various exercises in our beginner's ebook Zurich für Anfänger. The informal salutation question is Wie geht's? Or Wie geht's dir? Here we use the pronoun of the second person singular, dir. However, it is very often simply omitted. But this can only be done in the second person singular, as we are speaking directly to our conversation partner. To address more than one person, we can use Wie geht's euch? When addressing several people, there is no formal or informal form. We always use the same question. Wie geht's euch? As you can see, the difference between the questions is only the pronouns used. Therefore, we can also simply use und plus the pronoun to ask someone back.
Wie geht's Ihnen?
Gut, und Ihnen?
Wie geht's dir?
Gut, und dir?
Wie geht's euch?
Gut, und euch? We have divided potential answers into 3 categories. As positive feedback, we can say Tipptopp, prima, or sehr gut. As balanced response, we can use Es geht so, or so lala. And for negative answers, we use schlecht or schitter. The Swiss rarely talk about their private lives to strangers. Many also keep work and free time strictly separated. That's why we usually give a superficial positive answer. An honest answer to salutation questions is normally only given among friends. Let's summarize. If we want to ask a stranger how they are feeling, we ask Wie geht's Ihnen? To ask a friend how they are, we can use Wie geht's? Or Wie geht's dir? To address more than one person, we say Wie geht's euch? And to ask back und Ihnen, und dir, und euch. For positive answers, we can say Tipptopp, prima, sehr gut. For balanced answers, Es geht so, so lala. For negative answers, schlecht, scheiter. These are the most common answers when asked how we feel. Have you heard another answer that we have missed? Let us know in the comments. Every comment has the chance to win 30 minutes of personalized tutoring on Schweizerdeutsch-Tutor.com. The winners will be announced at the end of each month. Now we have learned how to greet the Swiss, ask them how they are, and how to say goodbye. In the fourth video of our video course Schweizerdeutsch für Anfänger, we use this knowledge for a dialogue, zum chli schwätzen, for a typical Swiss small talk. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Merci vielmals, macht's gut und bis zum nächsten Mal mit Schweizerdeutsch Tutor.